nice models. There's an Andrew Black. Hi, Andrew.
Hey.
My mom's underneath the pavilion, but I'm just walking around.
Cool. Yeah, just for your tree. And they were
Pretty much saw almost everything. Guard tractor heaven. That's a 782. Sort of like my dad's. There's the big engine. I wonder why a lot of people come. This is Steam Joe heaven. There's a geyser. It's running. It's a big engine. Boy, that. This guy's got a. That's magnificent. That's an old one. That's an economy. That's a feature engine. I don't know where the heck Dave is.